Okay, we're headed upstairs on the Bancroft. This is one of our first, well, we have a few other two-story ADUs being built. So we have a nice big bathroom over here. We have a shower, sink, toilet. This little landing has a laundry center. We have the back bedroom, which is a little bit smaller. Kind of fun to see all the roof lines coming together in this neighborhood. We've got a storage closet in this bedroom. And then we go into what's the primary bedroom. Fun view to the main house, nice corner windows, and a nice big closet here. And then we got creative because of the head height we needed for the stairs. We had to be a little more thoughtful about how to get storage here. So we have this platform that we can build out that's a nice deep storage, great spot for suitcases, large bulky items.